Yes, students, now we start with the next topic. The topic is the function. In what is the function? Function is also a subset of the Cartesian product of the sets. So a function is a relation f from A to B is said to be function if every element of first set A, every element of set A has one and only one image, one and only one image in set B, then the relation is said to be function. So therefore, a relation is said to be function from A to B if every element of A in its first set are mapped or related with one and only one element of the set B. For example, A is a set, A and B are two non-empty sets, F is a function relation if A is related to 2, B is related to 4 and C is related to 8. So every element of set A are mapped with the element of set B, therefore it is known as a function. Or again the second example, set A has the element A, B, C and set B has the element X, Y, Z. So a function relation A to B, if A is mapped with Z, B is mapped with X and C is mapped with Y, yes it is also a function. फर्स्ट सेट के अंदर बच्चों कोई भी एलिमेंट विदाउट मैप्ड नहीं होगा, सेकंड सेट में विदाउट मैप्ड है या नहीं उससे कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आएगा. एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट सेट आर यूनिकली मैप्ड, one and only one image uniquely mapped with the element of second set. Similarly this a relation if A is related to X, B is related to Y, but C has no relation. In the first set, C has no mapping or no relation. Therefore, the third part is not a function. Fourth part, a function relation from A to B. If A is related to X, B is related to Y, and C is also related to Y. फर्स्ट सेट के एक से ज्यादा एलिमेंट की सिंगल इमेज आ सकती है, पर फर्स्ट सेट के एक एलिमेंट की एक से ज्यादा इमेजेस नहीं आएंगी. अगर एक से ज्यादा इमेजेस आएंगे देन द रिलेशन इज नॉट ए फंक्शन. एक से ज्यादा एलिमेंट की सिंगल इमेज आ सकती है. सो व्हाट इज द फंक्शन? इन ए फंक्शन ए रिलेशन इज सेड टू बी ए फंक्शन from A to B if every element of the first set are uniquely mapped with the element of second set. In other words, in function फर्स्ट सेट के सारे एलिमेंट सेकंड सेट से मैप्ड होंगे. फर्स्ट सेट के अंदर कोई भी एलिमेंट विदाउट मैपिंग नहीं होगा. फर्स्ट कंडीशन. सेकंड कंडीशन, फर्स्ट सेट के एक एलिमेंट की एक से ज्यादा इमेजेस नहीं आ सकती. एक एलिमेंट की एक ही इमेज आएगी. यस, दो एक फर्स्ट सेट के एक से ज्यादा एलिमेंट सिंगल से रिलेटेड हो सकता है, पर एक एलिमेंट की एक से ज्यादा इमेजेस नहीं आ सकती. देन द रिलेशन इज सेड टू बी ए फंक्शन. सो देयरफॉर व्हेन वी स्टार्ट एग्जांपल, let me if R be the relation from A to B, then check whether the following relations are function or not. A part, a relation is defined by 2, 1, 4, 2 and 6, 1. 2, 4 and 6, these are the element of first set. 1, 2, 1, 1 and 2 second. If 2 is related to 1, 4 is related to 2 and 6 is related to 1, by using the fourth part, therefore yes it is a function. क्योंकि फर्स्ट सेट के सारे एलिमेंट मैप्ड है और एक एलिमेंट की एक से ज्यादा इमेज नहीं आ रही. बी पार्ट, रिलेशन इज गिवन बाय 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. 1 is related to 1 and 1 is related to 2. एक एलिमेंट की एक से ज्यादा इमेजेस आ रही, देयरफॉर दिस रिलेशन इज नॉट ए फंक्शन। 1 से भी मैप्ड है और 1 2 से भी मैप्ड है, एक एलिमेंट की एक से ज्यादा इमेजेस आ रही हैं, फिफ्थ कंडीशन, देयरफॉर दिस रिलेशन इज नॉट ए फंक्शन। In the C part, relation 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 and 4, 5. तो फर्स्ट सेट के एलिमेंट 1 2 3 4, सेकंड सेट के एलिमेंट 2 3 4 5, 1 is related to 2, 2 is related to 3, 3 is related to 4 and 4 is related to 5। यस, फर्स्ट सेट के सारे एलिमेंट मैप्ड हैं और एक एलिमेंट की एक से ज्यादा इमेज नहीं आ रही, देयरफॉर दिस C part, this C relation is also a function। And the next topic, domain, codomain and the range, domain, codomain and the range of the function। If f be a function from set A to set B, then all the element of first set A, all the element of first set are known as the domain of the function। जो फर्स्ट सेट का एलिमेंट है, दिस सेट इज नोन एज द डोमेन, दिस सेट इज द डोमेन, दिस वन इज द डोमेन, दिस वन इज द डोमेन। फर्स्ट सेट के जो सारे फर्स्ट सेट पूरा सेट जो है दैट इज कॉल्ड द डोमेन। A is always called the domain। और जो सेकंड सेट है, ऑल द एलिमेंट ऑफ सेकंड सेट दैट इज सेट B आर कॉल्ड कोडोमेन। दिस इज द कोडोमेन, दिस इज द कोडोमेन, this is the codomain। second set, whole set is known as the, this set is known as the domain and this whole set is known as the codomain। and third part, the range, the subset of the second set, the number of element of second set which are mapped with the element of first set, number of element of set B which are mapped with the element of set first domain, these elements are known as the range of the, that set is known as the range of the function। for example, in this part, domain is ABC, codomain 2 4 6 8, and what is the range? Range is 2 4 and 8। in this part, domain is ABC, codomain XYZ, yes, range is also XYZ, because the range is always subset of the codomain। this is not a function, this one in this function, domain ABC, codomain XY, range is also XY। now if A is a function ABC and B is this, f is the function from A to B defined by this, A is related to 0, B is related to 1 and C is related to 3, like this A। so what is the domain? set A is the domain, codomain set B is codomain, and range, the subset of set B which are element of set B which are mapped with the element of set A, that is 0 1 and 3, it is called the range of the function। and what are the image and range, both are belongs to the second set। if A is related to 0, therefore the image of A is 0, image of B is 1, image of C is 3। so we get the image is always on the with a particular element of the domain। again, A is a set with relation 2, 1 is a function whose elements are 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1 and 14, 1। find its domain and range। first you draw the arrow diagram, 2 is related to 1, 5 is related to 1, 8, 11 and 14, all the elements related to 1। domain is 2, 4, 2, 5, 8, 11 and 14। and what about its range? range is 1। similarly 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, these are the element of the domain, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are the element of the codomain। what is the domain? this, range this, and image, what is the image of 2 is 1, image of 4 is 2, image of 6 is 3, image of 8 is 4 and image of 10 is 5. Yes.